If you're struggling with uncontrollable blood sugar spikes, stubborn weight gain, or that exhausting brain fog after every single meal, you have probably been told to try apple cider vinegar. People on the internet claim it is a miracle cure that magically dissolves glucose and burns belly fat overnight. But what does the actual scientific data say? Does it really work, or are you just drinking sour, acidic water for no reason? The answer is actually much more shocking than you think. In fact, if you take apple cider vinegar the wrong way, or at the wrong time, it can completely destroy your stomach lining and trigger severe digestive issues. But if you know the exact medical secret of how and when to use it, it activates a powerful metabolic switch that science confirms can drop your post-meal blood sugar levels significantly. Today, we are unlocking the real clinical truth, the exact dosage, and a dangerous mistake almost everyone over 50 is making that completely destroys its benefits. Stay with us until the very end, because the specific timing we will reveal in the final minutes changes everything about how your body processes carbs. To understand why apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is so powerful, we have to look inside your digestive system. The magic does not come from the apples. It comes from a specific component called acetic acid. When apple juice undergoes fermentation, natural sugars are converted into acetic acid by friendly bacteria. This acetic acid is the ultimate key to metabolic health. When you eat a carbohydrate-heavy meal like rice, bread, or pasta, your digestive enzymes quickly break those carbs down into glucose. This glucose floods your bloodstream, causing a massive blood sugar spike. To manage this, your pancreas releases a large wave of insulin. Over time, these constant aggressive insulin spikes lead to insulin resistance, heavy fat storage around the organs, and, eventually, type 2 diabetes. This is exactly where acetic acid steps in like a clinical blocker. Multiple scientific studies show that acetic acid slows down the speed at which your stomach empties food into your small intestine. This process is called gastric emptying. Because the food is moving slower, your body absorbs glucose gradually, turning a dangerous, sharp blood sugar spike into a gentle, manageable wave. But that is only half of the story. Acetic acid does something even more incredible inside your muscles. It actively stimulates an enzyme called AMPK. Think of AMPK as the master fuel sensor of your cells. When this enzyme is activated, it forces your muscles to open up and pull glucose straight out of your bloodstream to use as pure energy, even if you're just sitting on the couch. In short, it drastically improves your insulin sensitivity in real time. Despite these incredible benefits, millions of people are using apple cider vinegar in a way that causes serious harm. Let's talk about the most dangerous mistakes. Mistake number 1 is drinking it completely straight. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic. If you take a shot of it raw, you're exposing your esophagus and the delicate enamel of your teeth to pure acid. Over time, this erodes your teeth and causes painful acid reflux. Always dilute it. Mistake number 2 is buying the wrong type. If you go to a regular grocery store and buy a clear, beautiful, transparent bottle of apple cider vinegar, you are wasting your money. That vinegar has been pasteurized and filtered, which kills all the beneficial nutrients. You must look for organic, unfiltered, unpasteurized ACV that clearly states it contains the mother. The mother is that cloudy, cobweb-like substance settling at the bottom of the bottle. That cloudiness is packed with the living bacteria, enzymes, and proteins that make the remedy work. Now, let us discuss the exact clinical protocol. How do you actually take it to maximize blood sugar control without damaging your body? The scientifically proven dosage is very simple. 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar mixed into a large glass of filtered, room temperature water. Do not use boiling hot water, as high heat can neutralize the delicate live enzymes inside the mother. To protect your teeth completely, always drink this mixture through a straw and rinse your mouth with plain water immediately afterward. When is the absolute best time to take it? This is the secret that most people get wrong. If you drink it right after a meal or hours before, the blood sugar benefit drops significantly. The perfect clinical window is exactly 10 to 15 minutes before your largest, most carbohydrate-dense meal of the day. By introducing the acetic acid into your stomach right before the carbs arrive, you pre-program your digestive system to slow down, and you pre-activate your muscles to absorb the incoming glucose immediately. If you want an extra boost for your metabolic health, taking this exact same diluted mixture right before bed has been shown in clinical trials to lower fasting blood sugar levels the next morning. It works by signaling your liver to reduce its internal production of glucose while you sleep. Remember, apple cider vinegar is not a magic eraser. It will not completely undo the damage of an unhealthy lifestyle or a high-sugar diet. But when you combine this simple 60-second morning or pre-meal routine with a balanced diet, it becomes an incredibly powerful, natural tool to reverse insulin resistance, protect your pancreas, and regain control of your energy. Always consult your healthcare physician before starting any new routine, especially if you're currently taking blood sugar-lowering medications or diuretics, as vinegar can interact with certain prescriptions. Take care of your metabolic health. Give your body the natural support it needs, and watch how your daily energy transforms. If this honest, science-backed information helped you today, please hit the like button, share this video with someone who is managing their blood sugar, and subscribe for more real health education every single week. See you in the next video.